Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone down and removing the case so you can access the chassis. This prevents accidental short circuits. Next, remove the SIM tray and place the device on an anti-static mat. This keeps parts safe. Use a small Phillips and a plastic pry tool to open the back. You will feel clips release, so go gentle. Take photos as you remove screws. This helps later. Once done, expose the volume button assembly so you can inspect for debris, corrosion, or misaligned components. You now inspect the ribbon cable and tactile switch. These are the usual culprits, because dirt or a torn flex will stop signal flow. If you see debris, clean contacts with 90% isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush. Make sure to let components dry completely before testing. If the tactile switch is physically damaged, remove and replace it. You might need to desolder a worn part, so only solder if you have steady hands and basic gear. Once replaced or realigned, reattach the flex carefully. You reassemble by reseating every connector and testing the volume buttons before snapping the back into place, because this saves time if something is still loose. Make sure screws return to their original holes and torque them gently. Over-tightening can warp the frame. Once assembled, boot the device and test up and down in settings and with media. If the button still fails, double-check the flex cable and tactile switch for missed damage. If uncertain, seek a professional repair to avoid further harm to the board.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.